There are a couple of sections on the cloud that are not in the app. The first one is the price list. This is where I'm going to create my price list. The way to do it is you download a template, you complete the template, and we have a lot of information on how to complete the template. Okay, I'm not going to go into all the details. And once you've completed the template, you upload it. Okay, price list template, there it is. So I upload my template and boom, my price list is now on the cloud. Okay. If I want to look how it is in the app, I can see I have a sort of preview in the price list tab, and there, for example, I can change. I can put an icon to my paint category. This is also where I can create my modules. I tap on plus, create module. Let's say that my module is going to be called the paint room. I just open my module and then I drag and drop the items I want to include from my price list. There it is. I have created my module. Now I'm happy and I'm going to publish the price list in the app. For that, I just click on the button that says Publish in App. When I go back in the app, on the home screen, I just swipe down in order to refresh the app. Once it's done, the price list is available. If I go in the Estimate section, now you see I have my price list with the module I created and the different items I got from my price list. The second section that is not available in the app, but on the cloud, is what we call the Workgroup. In this section, you can invite someone. You just enter his email address, and when he accepts the invitation, he will become a member of your workgroup. And as a member of your workgroup, he will be able to access all the custom objects you've created, all the custom questionnaires you've created, all the custom price lists you have. So it's a way for you to coordinate whatever you do in magicplan with team members. As the workgroup administrator, you'll be able to see all the floor plans created by your team, and you'll be able to share the floor plans with your team members. Also, in the export settings, you have a few options to unify the export layout, and you can centralize all the exports. We offer more options to integrate magicplan into a toolchain. If you're interested, let me know. But it's very easy to plug magicplan and connect magicplan with your server, import data from your server, or export directly from magicplan into your server. So we have, for example, real estate agents exporting directly from magicplan. They can choose in magicplan the listing to which they attach the floor plan data. And then all the data is sent and attached automatically on their website to their listing.